Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another hair video. Today's wig is from MyFirstWig, and today I'm working with their medium brown Swiss lace front wig. So the length of this wig is 18 inches. You guys can see where it's up to on me. It's giving me kind of like long bob type of vibe because of the length. This is good for like everyday, you know, like everyday go-to wig. I absolutely love this wig. It's so silky, so soft. Literally took me 5 minutes to install this wig. I didn't use no glue, no hairspray. So if you guys want to see how I laid this wig down, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like when it's on. You can see it comes with a really natural hairline, comes pre-plucked, and it comes pre-bleached as well. So literally all I need to do is just to install this wig right now, and then we're good to go, literally. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and install the wig. One thing I like to do is to apply some wax stick just so I can put all the hair away and it's not in my way whilst I'm trying to glue the wig down. But yeah, you guys can see this wig literally fits me from ear to ear. It comes with an elastic band on the inside as well. Okay, so this is the medium brown lace front wig, and the type of lace is Swiss lace. It's so soft and proper stretchy, so you know for a fact that this is definitely going to melt into your skin. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the lace to start with. So now that I'm done cutting off the lace, I'm going to grab my powder brush. I'm just going to apply what's left on the brush all over the lace just to help it, you know, blend into my skin a lot more. You guys can see the difference already. So and you guys can see how good this lace is. Like, the wig is not glued on right now and it looks so natural, literally, like it's not glued on. So I'm thinking maybe I should just use my hair mousse to just lay down the wig so I don't have to apply any hairspray or anything of that sort. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to apply some hair mousse. You can see it's not glued on. I'm going to apply some hair mousse and just lay it down. I'm going to use my Afro G style and wrap hair mousse. And now I'm going to grab my elastic band and just use this to lay down the lace, basically. So I'm just going to go ahead and style the wig whilst I'm waiting for the lace to melt down. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the elastic band so I can style this wig properly, because the wig right now isn't looking like the picture they sent me. So I think all I need to do is just to cut a bit more layers at the front so it's more defined. That's it, it's absolutely laid down. This is just with the hair mousse. Okay, so I just want you guys to see what the wig looks like before I decide to, you know, go in and style the hair. So this is what the wig looks like. It's really cute. It's giving me like, you know, long long bob type of vibe because of the length. I think this length is like really classy. It's good for every day as well, like, you know, just something simple. You can pop it on and go. And guys, the fact that I haven't glued down this wig and it fits so secure on my head, and the lace is like literally melted. So I'm gonna come back to the lace in a second, but I just want you guys to see what the hair looks like before I obviously go in and style the hair myself a bit more. So the density of the wig is 160. This is what it looks like. I really like the hair color. The hair feels really soft. It's not shedding. It's so silky. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style the wig a bit more, and then yeah. I don't want to cut too much, so I think I'm going to leave it like this. It's easier when you obviously have someone to cut the hair for you, because they can just cut the hair whilst it's on you going in a slanted shape. Or maybe I could have done this on my mannequin head actually, but this is fine. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Okay, this is not gonna be easy. I'm coming. I think I've tried to cut it to be the same as this side. Let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this side now. Not the same, but it's close. Okay, it's not the same, but it's close. Yes, this looks so much better. Oh my god, I'm so happy I decided to cut the wig. This looks a lot better. Yes. Okay, so once again, this is the wig from MyFirstWig. Very beginner friendly. I didn't have to glue it down. It took me literally 5 minutes to install this wig, and I'm so in love with this hairstyle right now. Like, guys, look at this. This is given. Okay, it's given. So let me just show you guys the lace one more time so you can see. That's what the hairline looks like, and it's not glued down. It's not glued down. I just used my hair mousse today, literally. So yeah guys, I'm done installing and styling this wig. Let me know what you think of this wig on me in the comment section down below. I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know in the description box, so please make sure you check down below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.